I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment. Connect via Ethernet if possible because wired is more stable and faster. Once connected, stop background syncs and close heavy apps so bandwidth is dedicated to Drive. Next, batch your files by size and priority and start uploading a small critical batch to verify throughput. Make sure your router firmware is updated and place your device near the access point if you must use Wi-Fi. These steps reduce variability before full upload. Now you optimize transfer settings and file forms. Use Drive for desktop or the official client because it supports resumable, chunked uploads that recover from interruptions. Once set, raise the upload rate limit to unlimited or a high value in the client preferences so it uses available capacity. Also compress or transcode large media to lower bitrate or container sizes before uploading. This reduces transfer time. Make sure your firewall and antivirus allow the Drive client to finish. Confirm uploads completed by checking Drive Web for file integrity and timestamps. If available, verify checksums. Once done, organize files and restore normal sync. If speeds remain poor, reboot your router and modem, switch to a faster DNS, or test a different network to isolate the issue. Make sure to try parallel small file uploads or a multi-threaded uploader for many tiny files. If problems persist, clear the Drive cache and relaunch the client. This often resolves stuck transfers rapidly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.